how to import your watch history into Letterboxd. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, have you saved some of your watch list in your own folder on PC and you want to import it into Letterboxd? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. You need to head over to any browser and then go to letterbox.com. Then go to your profile and then go to watch list. And then on the right hand side, you can see import films to watch list. You need to tap on it. And then your folder on your PC will pop up and you just need to select the watch list and then you can just tap on open and then add it here. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.